Hey! Welcome to How's It channel. In today's tutorial, you will learn how to fix the Start button if it does not work. Click on the Start button and it doesn't work, but if you do the right click, you get a menu and everything works. Let's fix it. Press Windows and R. Open the Run window. Type regedit and click OK. Choose HKey_current_user and look for Software folder. Open Microsoft folder. Then go to Windows folder and choose CurrentVersion. Open Explorer folder and go to Advanced. Pull the bottom border of the window to resize it. Right-click on the empty place and choose New and click on DWORD 32-bit. Name it EnableXAMLStartMenu. You can find the name in the description box down below. If you already have this file, double-click on it to open. Set value data to 0 and click OK. We need to restart the PC. Press Ctrl+Alt+Delete and click on Power button in the bottom right corner. Choose Restart. If this doesn't fix your issue, use the special software. You can find the download link in the description box down below. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!